Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll actually be looking at how to trade future trading on Bybit. Okay, and you can also apply this knowledge in any other exchange app you wish to trade on. So I will need you to watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how to dive into future trading carefully and also go out carefully. Okay, and by the end of the video also you will be able to trade future trading successfully and cash out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to trade future trading, how to enter a successful future trading on Bybit. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do what to subscribe, like, and also share. And I also need you to stick to the end of this particular very video so that you can fully understand what exactly we're talking about. So that by the end of this very video, you will be able to learn, or you will be able to understand how to enter and also quit a successful future trading. I'm dropping also this very video with respect to these questions that Daniel Abu asked. Okay, so without a waste of time, we're going to dive into this carefully so that we can understand this, so that we can answer these particular questions. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that. Before you do that, make sure you have some fund in your wallet. You know you cannot trade without fund in your wallet. So firstly, make sure you have some fund in your wallet before you can start doing this trading. If you don't have a fund in your wallet, I've dropped some video on how you can fund your wallet using Bybit P2P transaction. So without waste of time, let's quickly dive into that. All you just need to do is to come to this place to click on trade. So the moment you click on trade, come to this place in order for you to figure out what particular coin you really want to take. We have clicked here. So if you click this particular place, you'll see a lot of coins being displayed here, be it on spot or in perpetual or future trading. All you just need to do is to make your choice which one you really want to trade. Are you going to trade perpetual or future trading, or are you going to trade spot? But right now, right here, we're going to trade future trading, okay, known as also perpetual here, but I think now it's actually being differentiated. So we're going to click on this feature. So clicking on this feature, now we'll look at this carefully, which one exactly we really want to trade. Okay, now it's time for you to make a choice of a particular coin you wish to trade. All right, so we're going to look at it carefully and make a choice of a particular coin we want to trade. You can see ETH against USDT, this is perpetual. ETH against mass, perpetual. You can see a lot of things here, SOL and the others. Okay, so we have our BTC here. I do understand that a lot of us here are conversant with this BTC cryptocurrency coin. So we're going to take BTC / USDT in perpetual. So if you click on BTC / USDT, it's going to bring you to somewhere of this particular nature. Okay, so trading BTC, you must understand, trading perpetual or future trading, you must understand that there's long and also there's short. Okay, if you take this particular long, it means you're predicting this particular coin to go up, and when it go up, you're going to make irrational profit from it. And when you take this short, it means you're predicting this particular cryptocurrency coin to keep declining, which means it will keep going down, reducing this in value. You are going to make a profit. But by the time you choose long and it's going short, that is selling, you will be losing. And when you choose short and it's going long, you also be losing. So you must understand all this part of this in your mind. So you must understand that you need to take some leverage, and also your leverage should be 10 or below 10. Do not take much leverage because it will cost you high liquidity in time. And also this cross margin, you must not leave it at cross margin. You must also choose isolated, because in isolated you're going to your idle money in your wallet will be safe. But when you leave it at cross, the moment you losing, it will also be finishing your funding wallet. Okay, so look at this place to understand the candle. Where are those candles going to? So here the candle is doing what? They're actually declining. So if I'm going to take this trade now, I'm going to take this trade using short. Okay, so let me take this trade using short with also a 10 leverage, joining from what? From market price. All right, so how much am I going to use? Don't forget, change this place to isolated is very important. You must understand it. Switch this to isolated, and your leverage also should not be much. Okay, so from this now, I think I'm going to take a shot. Okay, I'm going to touch the Bollinger Band to see what exactly is going on here. Should I take a shot? Maybe I should take a shot right now and see. So I'm not actually going to trade, but I'm actually going to show exactly how you can enter this particular trade without waste of time. So you're going to click on that isolated. Don't forget leverage 10. Don't forget, and also come to this place in order for you to what? To put some okay, maybe I should use this whole 54 USDT to join this trade and see what will happen. Okay, so looking at this carefully now, you will now choose where exactly you want to take your trade to. Maybe I should take my trade to long. So coming to this place now, you're going to click on long. If you click on long, it will bring you an interface like this. Subscribe to this very channel and also like our videos, and we will keep dropping a lot of content for you regarding cryptocurrency industries and anything that has to do with how to make money online for free or without stress. So thank you so much as you share, thank you so much as you like, and also thank you so much as you subscribe. We're going to keep dropping something that will give your money back. So if you see this particular trade, it's going to show you everything: your order price, your order quantity, which quantity, how much you use in purchasing, and also your order cost, how much it cost you for this order, and also your value, which is the particular value that you secured, and also your position leverage isolated, which is 10, and also estimated liquidity is 102. Okay, so you will see everything here, and when would you enter the trade is immediate. You'll see everything here. So the next thing you just need to do is to come to this place to click on confirm. If you click on confirm here, your trade is going to be executed immediately. But why is our trade not executed? Is because we wasted a few moments trying to cross-check some things, which is why our trade is not executed immediately. Okay, so now we're going to see this, so we don't need to explain much since we have already done all of that. Okay, and don't forget, one thing you must understand is that you must set your stop loss. Okay, you must set your stop loss so that you not get liquidated. Okay, I've dropped a lot of videos that shows how you can set your stop loss without waste of time and also without a loss. Okay, so this is what you need to do. After putting everything, you just have to click on this long. After this long, you see everything here, and you're going to click on execute, and your trade will be executed immediately. So if your trade is executed, you come down here, you're going to see everything that is happening here under positions. Okay, under positions, you're going to see everything that is happening here. You can see your liquidity here, you can see the market price here, you can see your entry price here, and also you can see your position size here, which means how much quantity of this particular coin you have purchased. Okay, now I'm going to see your candle. You're going to see your candle here. Here you can track what exactly your trade is going to. You can see here, you can see this is your profit and loss. This is your profit and loss. Currently, whatever profit you make, it will be reading here without a waste of time. Okay, so after doing all of this, all you just need to do is to start watching carefully and see what exactly is going on, and see where also your trade is going to. Are you in profit or you are planning to lose? So you can quickly check what exactly is going on with your trade, and you also keep watching carefully so that you can also fully understand what exactly is going on with your trade. I do hope that you really understand this process. This is actually how you can trade future, how you can enter a successful future trading and make rational profit for yourself. Okay, so this trade is not like a spot trading that you can just say, okay, you want to sell, then you come and input the volume to sell and the others. No, if you want to exit this trade, all you just need to do is to come back to this particular place that shows this whole of this, and all you just need to do is to click on close to close this particular trade without a waste of time. Okay, so now you can actually see what we did here, and I do hope that you understood this. So if you do have any question, you can either drop it at my telegram section, or drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. In case you don't know how to fund your account, there will be a link, there will be a video link that you can watch on how to fund your account using P2P transaction. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe, like, and also share so that a lot of people can gain value from this content.